Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here. Today, I'm going to show you how I lay out this ghost flame design using LiME Diamond White Pearl base coat. This one's all about the subtle shimmer and clean technique, so let's jump right into it. First, we'll start by cleaning the surface with a wax and grease remover. Since this is a metal panel, I'll be scuffing it down, applying an epoxy primer to seal the metal and ensure a strong adhesion for our paint. Next, I'm mixing up LiME Diamond White Pearl. This color is a true two-stage system. You'll spray the white base coat first, and then follow up with a pearl layer on top. Base coats are required to be mixed 1-to-1 with urethane reducer to make it sprayable. Spray 2 to 3 medium wet coats, giving 5 to 10 minutes of flash time between layers. I'm finding the center by taping across the hood, folding back to the midpoint, repeating at the bottom, and running a straight tape line right down the center. I'm laying out the flame design using LiME 1/16 inch flexible tape. I'll start with a U-shaped curve, kind of like a crab claw, then connect the tape at the top and build off that shape, repeating the pattern as I go. Now we need to mirror the flame design to the other side. I'm using horizontal tape lines as reference points to help keep everything symmetrical. I'll also trim small pieces of tape and measure out from the center line to mark where each part of the design should go. Next, I'm mixing up the second stage to this color, the Diamond White Pearl Mid Coat. It's basically a clear base coat loaded with pearl pigment. I'll mix it 1-to-1 with a urethane reducer to make it sprayable, and then lay down 2 to 3 even coats. Once the pearl mid coat has flashed, usually after about 10 to 15 minutes, you can pull off your masking and fine line tape. This reveals the contrast between the solid white base, where we masked off, and the pearl coated areas in between. After that, I'll spray 2 more coats of the pearl mid coat over the entire panel to softly ghost in the flames. The more coats you add, the deeper and more subtle that ghost effect becomes. To complete the job, every automotive base coat needs a 2K clear coat, a 2-component system that locks in durability, adds UV protection, and brings out that rich finish. You can go with a glossy clear coat or a satin clear coat like we did here. Everything I used in this video is available through LiME. If you want to learn more about automotive custom paint, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.